I put together a PDF with 33 Playwright tips and tricks that will improve your framework. Playwright tip number 3. Environment variables. Hard coding passwords and tokens in your test files is a security risk and a maintenance nightmare. Environment variables fix both problems. Look at the comment block first. The approach is straightforward. Create a .env file in your project root with your sensitive values. Here, API_password equals your secret. Then you reference it with process.env variable name. In our test, we navigate to the login page. Here is the crucial step. Instead of typing a password in plain text, we pass the process.env API password. The actual secret lives in your .env file, never in your source code. Then we click the login button and assert that the welcome text is visible, confirming a successful login. One critical reminder: add your .env file to gitignore. Never commit your secrets to version control. In CI, set these variables through your pipeline secret management instead. This is tip number 3, environment variables for secure Playwright credentials. Want all 33 tips in one place? Grab the free PDF link in the comments. Follow for more Playwright and TypeScript content.